if you try to find out the statement of Boyle's law, it says that volume of a given mass of dry gas is inversely proportional to pressure at a constant temperature. That means V is inversely proportional to P. Inverse proportionality simply means if we increase the volume, the pressure will be decreasing, and if we decrease the volume, the pressure will be. So this is inverse proportionality. Now, one thing which you have to keep in mind, that the mass of the dry gas is fixed, inversely proportional, pressure and volume are inversely proportional to each other. So this is the whole law. Now if we come to the how we write the formula for this gas, or we can say the mathematical expression of this law. Mathematical expression for this law can be given as follows. See, let us take a gas having volume V1 and pressure P1. So we can say, according to this law, V1 is inversely proportional to P1. Now, you can remove this proportionality sign and you can write it as V1 is equal to K upon P1. This K is actually called as proportionality constant. So V1 is equal to K upon P1 when volume is V1 and pressure is P1. This is at a constant temperature. Let's say again we take the same gas having volume V2 at pressure P2. Now V2 will be inversely proportional to P2. Again, to remove proportionality sign, we can put K, which is a constant, and it will come as V2 equals to K upon P2. You can simply write, one thing which we can do here is, we can simply move P1 here and it can be written as P1 V1 is equal to K. Here it can be as P2 V2 is equal to K. So this is our first equation and this is the second one. Now at both the places we have our constants K, which is equal to P1 V1 also, and constant K is equal to P2 V2 also. We can write it as simply P1 V1 equals to P2 V2 equals to K. This expression is known as mathematical expression for Boyle's law, or we can call it as Boyle's law equation. This is the one which we will be using in our numericals, which we'll be doing further.